So currently at our cousin's house, bro, legit. It's 5:30 in the morning. I am about to start crying. But it's okay. We're about to have fun. We're about to go island hopping on a boat. We're going with the Garcias. We're okay. We're okay. It's gonna be fun. I'm so tired. Oh god. We're just waiting on hands. Yeah. We are currently at Bohol Farm Hotel where Mark and them are saying it's actually really pretty here. Authentic. Hans, where are you going? You wanna do it again?
Bubble butt, bubble, bubble, bubble butt.
This is Hans. This is my father. Ooh. The only bad thing about this resort is like there's no, what do you call this? It's not actual shore. It's like a cliff. Yeah, it's like a little cliff right there. So and there's not like there's barely any sand. So like it's kind of dangerous for the kids like Maynard. They can't really go into the beach right away because it's deep waters right away. I mean, it's still dope. Like there's like waves hitting this little platform right here. It's still sick, but it's not just safe for kids. So kind of sucks, but it's cool at the same time. We're actually gonna go to that island right there. Huh. What's that island called? Sola. Okay. And that's the boat we're riding right there. Sorry, I can't do it without music though. Hello, Mark. Hello, Millie.
Going in.
Look at this. It's really scary down here. Not doing that. I had like a mental image on my head. I was like, there's a shark in there. Probably not, but I'm like, ugh. Mark, careful, Mark. There's no sharks near Mark. We're heading in. Oh god, there's like a big gap in between the boat and the dock. Look at that. I have to do a really big stretch here. Probably won't film it. I don't want to drop my phone in the water because I don't have a camera. I don't have a GoPro. Everything's so sketchy. Wait. Mark. We have successfully boarded the boat. There's a pig. That's the beach over there. I don't know if you can see it all the way back there. Yeah, I know it's a piggy. Mark is currently in pain right now because of his calluses from basketball yesterday. How do you feel, sir?
I don't want to feel anymore.
Maynard! Maynard!
How do you turn this on? How do you turn this on? How do you turn this on? Adrian, how do you turn this?
Hit him, Maynard. Hit him in the face. Hit him in the face. That's right. That's right. What's up? Hit him in the face again. Hit him in the face again. Yeah, that's right. Oh, whoa. Just stepped on a shell. Okay, so I got this. This is Maylee's GoPro. Apparently the audio sucks, so I'm just gonna like do a bunch of like no audio clips and just put music over it. So yeah, hopefully that goes well. We're gonna go snorkeling in a bit. Unsa tawag aning island? Unsa tawag aning island? Sola Virgin Island. Okay.
How do you know this?
SOLA, yeah. So we just left our first island on our second stop. This island's actually like, it's high tide right now. And it's like just above ankle level actually. So we're gonna jump down. Probably won't bring the phone, just the GoPro, right, maybe? Yeah. But yeah, it's like right there.
Oh.
There's people right there. It's like ankle level. It's pretty good.
A few moments later.
Okay, so let's break this down. When we went snorkeling, after we went snorkeling, I tried filming with my phone, but I was like, nah, this is too big of a risk. So I gave my phone to Dad. It was still that little necklace thing that you put it in so it's waterproof, but my dad forgot it was on his neck. He didn't seal it properly, so we jumped into the water with it on. My phone got wet, so we put it in rice. And well, thank God it still works. I'm recording with my phone right now. So what happened was I recorded a bunch of stuff with the GoPro. So after we went snorkeling, we went to a second island. It was called the Virgin Islands. I don't know if it's considered an island. It's just sand with like, it's underwater actually. So it's like water only goes up to your ankles. But then by the end we stayed there longer, so the water rose. It went all the way down to all the way up to our hips. And there was a lot of stuff there. There were people selling like coconuts, like bananas and everything. And like I got this sick ass bracelet with it. It says, I don't know if you can tell, it says Capricorn on it. I had a really nice trip on the way home. Well, I had a nice trip at least. I just slept the whole way on the boat. I had this like weird, I don't know if you can see it, it's like weird gashes right there on my forearms when I woke up. I don't know from where. I don't know how I slept. But yeah, We traveled back all the way to my cousin's house. We're here in this bright ass orange house. And yeah, it's enough talking for me. Mark and them are transferring to another hotel. And I think this is the last night we're seeing them, which kind of sucks, but yeah, man, we're gonna see them back in Winnipeg. So yeah, that's basically what happened. Hopefully all the GoPro stuff can come out well. Actually, I haven't been able to work out in a really long time, for me at least, like a week or so of not being able to work out, which sucks. Obviously, I'm not gonna lose that much, but it still sucks. Like working out is like I love working out now, so hopefully when we go to Palawan, the hotel we have there has a gym, so yeah, I'll stay tuned for that.